Hello everybody! In this video we're going to learn how to draw a tangent circle to another one which passes through one point P and the tangency is in point M. First of all, we know that the tangency point in two tangent circles is in the line that joins their centers. So the second center should be in the line that joins the first center O with the point of tangency M. Then, if the circle has to pass through points M and P, the center should be in the perpendicular bisector of the segment M and P. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to draw the perpendicular bisector of MP. Finally, we know that the center of the second circle will be in the intersection of the line that joins O and M and the perpendicular bisector of the segment MP, and that will be O prime. And that's all. Thank you for watching and greetings to my students. Bye!